Did you know that businesses are now paying people to automate their work using AI? And the best part? You don't need coding skills, experience, or even a big budget to start. In this video, I'll show you how to start an AI automation business as a complete beginner in 2026, step by step. Let's get started. First, what is an AI automation business? AI automation simply means using AI tools to help businesses save time, reduce costs, and work faster. For example, you can help businesses automatically reply to customers, generate content, schedule posts, handle emails, create chatbots, automate repetitive tasks, and businesses are willing to pay for this because it saves them hours of work every week. Now let's talk about how to start step by step. Step 1. Choose a simple service. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one simple AI automation service to offer. Here are beginner-friendly ideas: AI chatbot for businesses, social media content automation, email automation, customer support automation, lead generation automation. For beginners, I recommend starting with social media automation or chatbots. These are easy to learn and in high demand. Step 2. Choose your AI tools. You don't need expensive tools. Many free AI tools can help you start. Some great beginner tools include ChatGPT for content and automation ideas, Zapier for connecting apps, Make.com for automation workflows, Notion AI for productivity, Canva AI for content creation. Start with just one or two tools. You can learn more as you grow. Step 3. Create a simple offer. Instead of saying "I do AI automation," make your offer clear. For example, I help small businesses automate their Instagram content using AI. Or, I help businesses set up AI chatbots to reply to customers automatically. Simple offers are easier to sell, especially as a beginner. Step 4. Find your first clients. You don't need a website to start. You can find clients for free. Here are easy places to find clients: Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Instagram, Fiverr, Upwork. Start by messaging small businesses and offering your service. Here's a simple message you can use: "Hi, I noticed your business page. I help businesses automate tasks using AI to save time. Would you like me to show you how this can help your business?" Keep it simple and friendly. Step 5. Start small and grow. Your first goal is not to make thousands of dollars. Your goal is to get your first client. Once you get your first client, you gain experience, confidence, and testimonials. Then you can increase your prices and scale your business. Some beginners charge $50 to $100 for their first clients, then move to $300 to $1,000 per client, and the best part is, you can automate multiple businesses at once. That means more income with less work. AI automation is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now, and businesses need help more than ever. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly online business, this is a great place to start. Pick one service, learn one tool, find one client, and grow from there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI money-making ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.